of the most popular and versatile citrus fruit. Its popularity is owed to its refreshing flavor and second, making it a popular choice of flavoring many recipes and perfumes. Lemon is also widely used in all sorts of drinks, from teas and cocktails and juices. Along with the obvious success flavor, lemon single long has also been used for its medical value. A rich source of vitamin C, lemon possesses immense health benefits ranging from its antibacterial and antiviral properties to its immune boosting abilities. One of the most common ways to read the health benefits of lemon is by juicing it. Lemon juice acts as a digestive and detoxifying agent and help in cleaning the liver, leading to better digestive health. Lemon juice is also an effective way to reduce weight as it is increase the body metabolic rate for people looking to use lemon for its weight loss ability. Drinking lemon juice with the weight loss benefits. Drinking warm lemon water every morning also has numerous other benefits. The nutrition experts some of the most effective health benefits of drinking lemon juice with warm water every morning. Add half of a fresh squeezed lemon to 8 ounces of food. Warm up half water. Enjoy the taste and the benefits. 1. As a rich source of vitamin C, lemon juice protects the body from immune system defenses. 2. Drinking lemon juice with warm water every morning help in maintaining the pH balance of the body. With the powerful antibacterial properties, lemon juice help fight infections, act as a detoxifying agent, help with maintaining digestive health. Along with vitamin C, lemons are also a rich source of potassium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, etc. Help fight common cold. Lemon water is also a popular remedy of many kinds of skin problems, ranging from acne, rashes, and wrinkles to dark spots. Lemon juice with warm water helps in quick weight loss as it is promote digestion and increase the metabolic rate. Lemon juice is also very effective at cleansing the liver as it prompts the liver to flush out toxins. Lemon anti-inflammatory properties helping us fighting respiratory tract infections, more threat and inflammation of toxins. Lemon juice with warm water helps keep the body hydrated as it provides electrolytes by the body. Drinking lemon juice with warm water also helps reduce joint and muscles pain. Lemon juice with warm water is also good for your dental health as it helps with caries and prevent gingivitis. Lemon juice with warm water helps the digestion and hence help regulate natural bowel movements.